Becoming an entrepreneur involves a mix of mindset, skills, planning, and execution. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. 1. Find your business idea. Identify a problem. Entrepreneurs solve problems. Look around for gaps in the market or inefficiencies you can improve on. Leverage your strengths. Use your skills, interests, and passions to identify business opportunities. Research market demand. Check if there's a demand for your idea by conducting market research. 2. Create a business plan. Define your mission. Clarify your business objectives. Target market and how you'll serve customers. Outline strategies. Create a roadmap for marketing, operations, and finances. Project finances. Include costs, pricing strategies, revenue projections, and break-even analysis. 3. Learn key entrepreneurial skills. Business management. Understand how to manage day-to-day operations. Finance and team leadership. Marketing and sales. Learn how to attract customers and convert them into paying clients. Financial literacy. Get comfortable with accounting, budgeting, and profit management. 4. Build a network. Connect with other entrepreneurs. Attend events, join online groups, and build relationships with people in your industry. Find mentors. Experienced mentors can provide guidance, help you avoid mistakes, and open doors. 5. Start small and scale. Bootstrap your business. Start with minimal resources and test your idea in the market. Get feedback. Use customer feedback to improve your product or service. Expand gradually. Once you've found a working model, scale up operations, increase marketing efforts, or attract investors. 6. Secure funding. Self-funding. Use your savings or income from another job. Seek investors. Look for venture capital, angel investors, or crowdfunding opportunities. Apply for loans. Consider business loans from banks or microfinance institutions. 7. Stay resilient. Embrace failure. Most entrepreneurs experience setbacks. Learn from failures and keep adapting. Stay curious. Continue learning and staying on top of industry trends to remain competitive. By developing the right mindset, leveraging your skills, and planning carefully, you can increase your chances of becoming a successful entrepreneur.